Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here about help you how you start to go to use constraints in Figma. So this is gonna be actually to be done on every single way that is still to be really satisfied with that, which is going to be everything that is still to be about to help you in this way. So first of all, if you would like to use components, you can actually use a certain thing that's going to be all and then repair components. Okay, you can regenerate components for that, but it doesn't actually no selection. So we can see the component is actually to be really one of these things like rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, boolean, and polygon, and the stars, and also some kind of images and videos that is already related with it. If you would like to add another components, you can actually use components to HTML components to code, or handy components. You can actually use handy components for better ways, but I don't think that it's really free for all things. And then as you can see, you can have certain components that is ready to create it as a component whether you want actually to do it. And that's all about here to help you through this video. It's already to be done on that, and that's all about to help you